Arrowroot is only available during Chinese New Year period. Today, we are going to stew arrowroot with red fermented bean curd or Nanru and minced pork. We have here 7 pieces of arrowroot. Peel the skin off. Using a cleaver, smash them into big chunks. Chop 3 cloves of garlic and mash 2 cubes of Nanru with 1 teaspoon of liquid from the jar. Marinate some minced pork with 1 teaspoon each of rice wine, soy sauce, cornstarch, and water. We start by frying the garlic. When fragrant, add Nanru and fry briefly. Add minced pork and fry for another minute. Add arrowroot. Add 1½ bowl of water. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add some dark soy sauce for color. You may also add some salt and sugar to taste. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share it with your family and friends.